Hi everyone, it's Dali here from Dali Arts, and I'm going to be sharing with you a limited edition of the ShokART papers. This is the beauty is in the small things, and it's we've only got very few of these, so I'm doing it as a workshop on September the 3rd. So it's just one double-sided sheet of paper I've used, and basically I'm going to use this throughout the book, and I'll show you what you get in your kit in a minute. So this is the 8x8 quad. We have already done the A5, which a lot of you did with me. Let me just quickly bring that in. Put it all away, I have. Let me just get this out for you. Okay, so I've already done the A5 quad, which was these. So if any of you want to do any of these, we have no more Summer Bloom left, but we do have the Paris one. So if anybody wants to do this with me, they are welcome. So I'll go through those right at the end. But what is it all about today? Today it's all about the beauty is in the small things. So this is a limited edition. It's just one double-sided sheet of paper and obviously other papers. And I just wanted to show you how to make this really lovely, simple sort of portfolio album. So you've got this where you've got the create and you've got the beauty. It's in the small things. You've got these lovely books with some inspirational words. And some of you will recognise this is from our Create Art ink collection. So opening this out, you've got this beautiful bird. You've got this lovely vase of beauty, really. And then we've used this beautiful watercolour marble paper to complement this just a little bit, but not too much. Okay, let me just open this out. So you've got one side here with the bird. Then I've actually put you a waterfall card in, and I'll be doing this all in the workshop. So let's have a look at that one that's sticking slightly. So let's go through that again, and there we go. So it is absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got this bit here, again, really tells a lovely story. Then you've got this little pocket here with this where I fussy cut it out. This actually comes down. You'll actually get a magnet and to put onto this. So, and then you've got this bit here as well. So you've got a little bit of room there to decorate that one as well. Okay, so then you've got this flap here as well, where you've got a little bit of room at the top, and then you've got this beautiful beauties and small things again. Then you've got these vellum pockets, which we will be also creating in the workshop. You've got this beautiful big paper clip, and I will be teaching you how to create these. So you've got 3 of those, so you can put whatever you like inside them. And I've just put them with a paper clip. You don't have to put them with a paper clip because there's already a Barely band which I've created already on here. Let me just move that across because it's so big and beautiful. So that's one side of it. Okay, let me turn it over so it looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me turn it over. Let me show you the other side of it. Now the other side again tells a beautiful story. So you've got the bird from the other side, you've got the beautiful vase, you've got the whole page there, you've got the bird there, and then you come back to your front page. So it is a beautiful, beautiful album. And like I say, I think I have only got, 7 kits. So you have to be quick if you want to do this workshop. So let me just close that up for you. And it wraps around with a ribbon and closes up, and my little white paper decides to take walkies. Okay, so it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's the album itself. Paper clip there, poking through, and you've got the back as well. Obviously, put the ribbon right. So you've got this beautiful album, and this is the 8x8 quad. Now, what do you get in your kit? In your kit, you will get the glue, because I think it's really nice to have that, and it's a really good glue. You'll get the magnet, you'll get a dragonfly, you'll get a paper clip, you'll get an envelope which we'll be using to decorate. You'll get quite a lot of ribbon so that you've got extras. You'll get 10 sheets of this double-sided paper. You'll get 6 sheets of A4 cardstock to make your foundation with. You'll get some craft paper. You'll get the 3 vellum sheets to make your envelopes with. And then you've also got your, what I call the marbled watercolour paper as well. So the kit comprises of all of those. So you've got everything that you could want for in that kit. Okay. And that will all come to you. So we've got 7 kits. It's going to be £19.99. The workshop is free. Workshop will take place on September the 3rd, or from 6 o'clock in the evening till 8 o'clock. And that's to make the foundation, and then you can go away and make the rest of it. And then you get all the kit to do that. So like I said, we've got limited stock, but anybody who would like to join me, I know a lot of you loved doing the A5 with me, so Pip and I would love it if you could join us. I'll quickly show you the A5. If anybody wants to do the rustic A5, then we can put kits together for this, if anybody wants to do this. So let me quickly show you this one, so that if anybody hasn't seen it, then you've got an idea of what the A5 looks like. So there's no reason why you can't make the A5 with the other one as well. So you can see this is the basic foundation for it. I've shown this quite a bit, so that people can get the idea of what the A5 quad looks like. You've got lots of pockets, lots of little bits. So again, you can apply any of these rulings to this one as well, as I would for the 8x8. So this is the A5 quad, and we're going to be doing an 8x8 quad. So can you see how beautiful this is? It's just so lovely. Yeah, you've got loads of elements here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a kit together for both of these workshops, and I will be posting that shortly, so keep an eye out for that. And basically they are just so beautiful. I can't tell you how beautiful they are. So looking forward to joining me and doing this beautiful 8x8 quad workshop. Thank you so much, and take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.